Welcome, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to challenge some traditional ideas about maintenance in business as we explore its value as a key driver for production and revenue. We'll take a look at how maintenance can transition from being seen as a mere expense to becoming your next big revenue machine. We'll also discuss a strategic approach known as Objectives and Key Results, or OKR, that can align your teams and lead to increased profitability. Let's get started. Let's jump into a fresh perspective, challenging the traditional view of maintenance. Often, businesses view maintenance as a necessary evil, something they do because they must, not because they see its inherent value. This view creates conflict between operations and maintenance teams, each with their own priorities that seem to clash. But what if maintenance could actually be your next revenue machine? Next, we'll discuss why maintenance should be seen as an investment. Misaligned goals between operations and maintenance can lead to significant revenue loss. For example, while operations might focus on maximizing uptime for revenue, maintenance work, which often requires downtime, can seem counterproductive. However, the real issue here is the misalignment of goals, not the maintenance itself. To address this, I suggest adopting a system known as Objectives and Key Results, or OKR. This system isn't new to the tech industry, but it's still a fresh concept in the maintenance and reliability sectors. The beauty of OKRs lies in their ability to align the entire company under a single North Star goal. For instance, if the goal is maximizing production and revenue, maintenance teams would focus on objectives like optimizing uptime versus downtime, and production teams might look at minimizing materials cost per unit. Now, why do OKRs work? Research by Dedicon and Harvard Business Review shows that misaligned goals can cost companies millions in failed projects and employee turnover each year. OKRs help in aligning goals around outcomes, which not only reduces conflict, but also boosts productivity and employee retention, ultimately leading to increased revenue. So how do you establish an OKR system? Start by defining that one critical overarching goal for the year. What is the one thing that, if achieved, would mean success for your company? Once that's set, break it down into specific objectives for each team, and regularly review and adjust these goals to stay on track. However, it's important to note that implementing an OKR system isn't without challenges. It requires a balance between short-term actions and long-term objectives, and it's a continuous process of trial and error. But the potential benefits? They're worth considering. Lastly, let's reflect on some community insights that underscore the critical role of maintenance in business success. Maintenance not only impacts costs, but also boosts production and profitability. However, the challenge remains that not enough leaders recognize this potential. In conclusion, shifting how we view and measure maintenance from a focus on compliance to a focus on outcomes like production can lead to profound improvements in how businesses operate and succeed. Let's start celebrating outcomes, optimizing processes, and seeing maintenance as the revenue-generating powerhouse it can be. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed how maintenance can be a revenue machine, the importance of aligning goals with OKRs, and the critical role of maintenance in business success. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.